Hi parents, guardians, and students. The following tutorial video will model for you our decoding and deciphering reading strategies. Let's begin. Firstly, I always encourage students to read with a pencil. This promotes directionality, and of course the pencil can be utilized right away to attack a challenging word using the chunky monkey strategy. Challenging word, let's not let that word win. Firstly, let's circle known letter blends, digraphs, trigraphs, you name it, or known smaller words. So when I attack this word here that's proving to be a bit challenging for me, well, I know the small word on, so I'm going to circle it. I know this digraph I'm familiar with this letter blend digraph sp. And I certainly know the small word rat. I encourage students to string the sounds out loud, quickly, blending the sounds together while trying different pronunciations. I wiped sp, rat, yun, sp, rat, shin, ration, perspiration. Here's another video modeling how to blend different word chunks together, trying to arrive at the appropriate pronunciation and understanding of a challenging word.
At, chat, in, chin, ick, chick, arm, charm, ease, cheese.
It's vital to do this out loud so one can listen to their pronunciations. So at this stage, I've decoded the word. I wiped perspiration. Perhaps my pronunciation is correct. Perhaps it is not. But at this stage, if I don't understand the word I've just decoded, it's time for me to decipher it, to figure out its meaning. It's important to use context clues to help decipher meaning. For example, when we pre-read, we might be familiar with the topic and anticipate what the word might mean. There might be pictures available to look at. There may be words in the predicate, that is the verb, and the words thereafter that may assist in understanding the meaning of that unknown word. The current narrative situation that one might encounter, or even known aspects of a character's personality may give some clue as to what the meaning of that challenging word is. Let's focus in on the blank synonym strategy. Let's replace the challenging word with a blank. Let's replace it with perhaps a synonym that would make sense in the context of this sentence. I wiped blank from off of my forehead. I could take a look at a picture in the book. Maybe I noticed little water droplets on the forehead of an individual within the picture. Water droplets. I wiped water droplets from off of my forehead. What sorts of things usually appear on our forehead? Oh yeah, I noticed in the picture, as I think aloud here, that person is mid-stride. They're in the middle of a run. I wiped, sweat from off of my forehead. That synonym, and recall, a synonym is a word that means the same thing as another, seems to be appropriate in this context. So I wiped perspiration from off of my forehead. An appropriate synonym and meaning of this challenging word is sweat. Thanks for listening, and I hope this tutorial video helped you in decoding and deciphering challenging words.